Today I am showing my little stem kit project. The link to the description if you want to buy it. It's like a save thing. So if I put the passcode, which currently is 500 in here, and click it, it'll unlock. You can put stuff in here. I put in a little nail file. So to lock it, you just put this in place. If I switch the passcode to like 400, it won't open. If I put it to 500, it'll open, of course. Hold on. Let me just... Yep, there we go. The only thing is, if you put your finger here and you open it, you're in for a world of pain. Here, let me just show you real quick. Ow! Crap. Yeah, that thing opens really hard. Like, I did it by accident the first time, and it really sucked. Hold on, let me try and do this with my finger. Index finger tiny. Well, that didn't really hurt. Ow! I really don't like it, but I do like it. Anyways, that's the STEM project. Like and subscribe if you like my content. And give me all your money for a chance to win this nail file. Yeah.